Now we are going to start with the question and answers of the Macavity poem. We are going to discuss the questions which is given in the book back exercise. Read the first stanza and think, is Macavity a cat really? Do you think what is the answer for this question? Is Macavity a cat really? From your point of view? And see to the next subdivision. If not, who can Macavity be? If you are going to say no to this question, then who can Macavity be? If you are going to say yes to this question, there will be no second subdivision. But when you say no to this question, there will be a second subdivision. So what I have given you here is, no, Macavity is not a cat really. You can see that he is an imaginary fictional character. He is an imaginary fictional character which is produced by the poet, which is made, which is produced, or you can say which is created by the poet. He is an imaginary fictional character who is created by the poet. No, he is an imaginary fictional. What is the meaning of the word fiction, children? Which is not real. Things which is not real is called fiction. So this is the way you can answer the question. But if you say yes to this question, there will be no second subdivision. That is the reason why I have discussed you this question. Come to the next question now. What is the next question? Complete the following sentences. Complete the following sentence. The first question is, a master criminal is one who commits big crime. From the poem, what we understand? A master criminal is one who commits big crimes. Here, who is the one who is committing big crimes? Macavity, the cat, is the one who is committing big crimes. And next subdivision, the Scotland Yard is baffled. Who is called as the Scotland Yard? The police force of Scotland is baffled. What is the meaning of the word baffled? Confused. Why they are confused? Because he never gets caught. Who is this he over here? Who is this he? Yes, it is Macavity. Macavity is never get caught. That is the reason why you could see the Scotland Yard is baffled. They are confused and they are full of chaos, confusion. Have you got the idea then? Come to the third subdivision. Dash because Macavity moves much faster than them. Why they are confused? And we have the next group of people. Who is that next group of people? Yes, it is the flying squad. Even the flying squad could not trap him. You know who is called as flying squad? Yes. The one who makes a swift movement is called flying squad. Here you can see that even the flying squad could not trap him, could not get him, because Macavity moves much faster than them. Have you got the answers for 3 questions now? Okay, so second question, you have 3 subdivisions. Okay, first question is, a master criminal is one who commits big crime. The Scotland Yard is baffled because he never gets caught. Even the flying squad could not trap him because Macavity moves faster than them. Come to the next question now. A cat, I am sure, could walk on a cloud without coming through. So, this is a statement, this is a quote of Jules Verne. Okay, a cat, I am sure, could walk on a cloud without coming through. So here, it is a statement or it is a quote given by someone. And we could see that in this poem, we are able to find a similar line. Are you able to find the similar line? Are you able to locate the similar line in the poem? Yes. Which law is McCavity breaking? We have seen in a line. McCavity is breaking human laws and he is also breaking something more than that. What is that? Which law is McCavity breaking in the light of the comment above? In the light of the comment above. What is this in the light of the comment above? So here I have given you a statement. It is not me. A statement is given in your book. What is that? A cat, I am sure, could walk on a cloud without coming through. So we are going to find a similar line. So according to this line, which law is McCavity breaking then? The law which is broken by McCavity is law of gravity. How you can say that law of gravity is broken by McCavity? Because of his power of levitation. And I have already explained you the meaning of the word levitation. What is the meaning of the word levitation? Levitation means floating. So here you could see that the law of gravity, it's broken by McCavity because he has the power of levitation, which even make the fakir to stare at him. Who is called as fakir, children? A sadhu. A sadhu, a saint who performs even the magical things, when they look at McCavity, they are just wondering. They are getting puzzled about his power of levitation. So this is the law of gravity which is broken by McCavity. You could find a similar line in the poem. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. That is fourth question. Read stanza 3 and then describe McCavity in 2 or 3 sentences of your own. What you are going to do is, you are going to read stanza 3. I have already explained you stanza 3. Stanza 3 talks about his physical appearance, how he looks like, and how his coat is, and how he sways his head, how he looks in his physical appearance, and how his eyes are. I have given you very few example, children. You can be more elaborative. Okay. Get it in a clear way. I have given you few examples. But you can be more elaborative. You can write your own answers to the questions. Let us see the points which I have given you. His coat is dusty. McCavity is not worried about his coat. He is not worried about his fur. And here you could see McCavity is a ginger cat. As I told you, what is the color of the cat? It is ginger color. And his brow is deeply lined. The line which is missing over here, or wait with me, I will just make it clear for you. His brow is deeply lined. When we see his eyes are sunken. It is deep inside. So I have given you some ideas. I have discussed some ideas over here. But you can bring your own creativity here. You can include few more statements. You can write few more sentences to make your answers look good. Come to the next question now. Fifth question. Say the statement is true or false. What I am going to do now is, I am not going to give you the answer for this question. You are going to write the answer. I'll just explain you, or you can take it like I'm going to read the points for you. What I'm going to do, I'm not going to give you the answers. Simply I'm going to read the questions. McCavity is not an ordinary cat. Is the statement true or not? McCavity is not an ordinary cat. So immediately after the session, you have to write answer for these questions and you have to post it in WhatsApp group. McCavity is not an ordinary cat. What is your opinion? Either the statement is true or false. When you read the poem, when you understand the poem, when you listen to my explanation, what is your opinion here? And come to the next subdivision. McCavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. McCavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. The statement is true or false? Think over and write the answer. McCavity has supernatural powers. McCavity has supernatural powers. What is your opinion about this question? McCavity has supernatural powers. Do you believe or not? Whether the statement is true or not. Next, McCavity is well dressed, smart and bright. As we discussed in the previous question, this question should be, yes, you are right. Write down the answers and post it in WhatsApp group. Okay. Come to the last subdivision. McCavity is a spy, a trickster and a criminal, all rolled in one. What will be the answer, children? Yes, you are almost right with your answers. 5 subdivisions, 5th question with 5 subdivision. You are going to say whether the statement is true or false. A simple question. Do it on your own and post the answers in WhatsApp group. Come to the next question now. Having read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of cats. If so, why does he call McCavity a fiend and monster? You are going to write your own answer. This you have to write it in your classwork notebook. Is it clear, children? You have to write this answer in your classwork notebook. This is from your opinion. Here I could not give my opinion. You are going to write having read the poem. You have not only read the poem, you have understood the poem. And now what you are going to do is, you are going to guess whether the poet is fond of cats. If so, why does he call McCavity a fiend? What is the meaning of the word fiend? Devil or a monster. Answer the question next. Has the poet used exaggeration for special effects? Find few examples of it and read those lines aloud. So this you can write it in your notebook, no problem. But what does the poet want you to do? You have to read the lines aloud which has exaggeration. Come on, let us read it out now. Read the line with me. Read the line. But when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. We don't know how he escapes. McCavity is not there. Next. So this is the line you can take and you can write few lines on your own. For he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. This is what you can take down for exaggeration. Where the poet is trying to exaggerate things. Read the line with me. But when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. For he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. 7 questions are there in your textbook. You have to take it down. What you are going to do is, you are going to write all these questions in your classwork notebook. You have to write it with today's date, and we have completed the poem McCavity. Write it down in your classwork notebook, children, with today's date, with a good handwriting. Whenever the teacher is giving you some work, sit down and do it. Don't be playful in nature. Thank you, children. Meet you in next session. Bye-bye.